Today is the day that we're finally going to Japan. It's been...
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. My wife and I are going to go to Japan and we're going to go visit my car. Super excited about that. But in the process of making an excuse to go to Japan, we're obviously going to make a whole trip out of it. We're going to go spend about 2 weeks over there. And I am excited. I am nervous. I am terrified. All a mixed bag of emotions. And I can't wait to get it over to the airport and get this vacation started.
So make sure to stay tuned because we're going to be doing a lot of JDM stuff. And hopefully if you guys are going to Japan, it will give you some ideas.
She said it for me. So here we are in our seats, which is just, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh boy. See you later. Didn't want to see you anyways. So this is the United Polaris business class, and it's like a little pod, essentially. Got a little table here, and they give you all sorts of goodies. Do you want to pull yours out, hon? Show me what you got.
Okay.
Show me what you got. Blanket.
Travel.
Thermobody.
Therabody. Man. I don't want to hurt my nails.
Well then, you almost took my eyeball out. Okay. Interesting. That could come in handy for the next guy that sits barefoot next to me. Dental kit. Oh yeah, nice. I remember this from our other trip. INS. Nice. Very nice. A little sleeping kit. Soft tissues. They got his Xanax in there. Earplugs. Okay. Very nice. We are closing in.
On the Japan. Wait, is that a bad? Wait, never mind. You're not supposed to say that stuff like that.
The Japans?
Yeah.
Why? Because they said it in that show?
Which show?
Shogun?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, then it's not bad, probably, right? We are headed towards the Japan.
Yeah, so we're about 2 hours away right now. And I got a few hours of sleep. I look like a maniac. I'm saving my appetite for Family Mart or Lawson's or 7-Eleven.
Should I talk or?
Just stare deeply into the camera. We're waiting for a car that we booked. We just got through customs and everything, got our bags, and we have we're waiting for a ride. We got some yen. We got our Ninja Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi thingy. Boom. Which is providing us with all the service. This way. We just made it to our room. Here it is. At the Blossom Hibiya. It's small, but it's very nice. A lot of hotel rooms in Tokyo are very small. And this view is wild. Ohayou gozaimasu. Good morning from my room, from Tokyo. You can see the view behind me is insane, and we're about to go to breakfast. Hopefully our first Japanese meal of the entire trip, because we didn't really have too much offered to us on the flight that was Japanese, but...
The breakfast was, but we didn't get it.
Breakfast was, yeah, but we were so stuffed by the time that it came around. I'm like, no more food. And by the time we got to this hotel, we just passed out because that was a long trip, and I barely slept on the plane. I barely slept the night before. So hopefully we got enough rest. We got our first like full day in Tokyo here, and we're gonna check out some things and go to like Teamlabs and hopefully just explore and eat some good food. And tomorrow is the big day where I finally get to drive out to check out my car. So super excited for that.
I'm scared about him driving. I'm scared, but that's okay. I trust you, but
It'll be fine. Everything's fine.
This is fine.
Hibiya Park.
here. We're at Hibiya Park, just walking around before our Teamlab's Borderless. Very quiet here. People don't talk. Yeah, it's a very beautiful park. A lot of tree specimens. We're looking for a ginkgo.
Ginkgo tree.
I don't know if you'll find it. There's 1,000 trees.
This dude's over there. This dude's over there just. Yeah. Huh?
Turning around to see our view of this because it's like.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Look up. Look up. Look up.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to make a whole video about this place. my wife and I went to Teamlab's Borderless today over in Zabadai Hills. It's a newer mall that just opened up, and we went over there to check out the Teamlabs exhibit, which is extremely cool. Lots of lights. After that, we stopped at a market and tried a bunch of local food there, including some bluefin tuna and some bento boxes and things like that. It was kind of like our lunch slash dinner, and we got pretty stuffed from that and kind of chilled out here for a little while, and then just went out again exploring some more konbinis, and we were able to find the egg sandwich and the spicy chicken cutlet. So I'm gonna do the touristy thing and mix these two together into a pseudo sandwich and give it a try. All right, so I put the sandwich and the chicken together in this monstrosity. Let's give it a bite. Oh my, quite good. Super fluffy. The chicken's really warm still, even though we walked like a couple blocks away to get it. It was really warm still from the Family Mart, and it's really juicy and good. Yeah, 10 out of 10, and it's kind of spicy. Shockingly more spicy than I thought it'd be, but really good. 100% would recommend giving it a try. I had to try it because we stopped at some other Family Marts konbinis and we didn't see any of these around. It looks like they're pretty much sold out. These are like the last two sandwiches at like 8 or 9 o'clock at night right now, so I had to give it a go. So I'm gonna slam this quick, and then we're gonna go downstairs to our bar in the hotel and have a couple drinks and call it a night.